This is just going to be a quick video to show how to set up a favourites list on the Zora 9000 combo receiver. So the first thing you want to do is go into your menu, and in this edit channel menu, arrow over to TV channel list and press the OK button. So you can see there across the top there's different coloured options. So in grey you have FAV, red lock, green skip, yellow move, blue edit, and we've addressed some of these in other videos to do with sorting and deleting channels and things like this. But if you look at the remote control, there's no grey button, and that may be a bit confusing for Fave, but it's actually the FAV button that you use itself, okay? So that's up near the top right hand side of the remote control. So if you just press the FAV button on the remote, you'll see that these options appear here, and you have a certain amount of favourite groups you can use, okay? Now the favourite group names isn't editable, so that's just to address that. So you'll just have to remember what's in each, you know, what group you have. So if you press, I'm just going to do fave group 1, so if you press the OK button, so that basically activates the box and gets it ready for what you want to put in that favourite group 1. So I'm going to say, for argument's sake, I want RTE1, which is highlighted, and you can see a little heart symbol appears beside it, and I want RTE2, and a little heart symbol appears beside it. So if I hit the exit button, you'll see that the fave tab kind of drops down to normal size, which means that I can exit out at this stage if I want, or I can make another favourite group. Okay, so I'm going to say, I'm going to put TV3 in favourite group 2. So again, I press the FAV button, so I'm going to make it favourite group 2, and I'm just going to make a heart on TV3 by pressing the OK button on the remote, and again Tina G. Okay, so at that stage then I can just simply click the exit button, and then a couple of times and it'll ask me, am I sure I want to save, and I'll say yes, and I'll just exit back out to live TV. So you can actually see there on the on-screen display, if I just pull it up there again, sorry, where's my info button? You can see there's a little heart symbol now on RTE1, which means that it's in some favourites group, okay? So to pull up your favourites then, all you have to do is simply under remote control, again in the top right hand corner, the button that says FAV on it, and it'll show I have two favourite groups. So favourite group 1 contains RT1 and RT2, and I can just select whichever one I want. And if I want to arrow through the favourite groups, if you press, when you have this menu up, if you use the left and right arrows, you can go to all channels, the satellite channels, the terrestrial channels, i.e. the SareView channels, or you can go through the favourite groups 1 and 2. So you can see in favourite group 2, I've TV3 and Tina G, and there you go. And that's basically it. That's how you set up a favourites list on the Zora 9000 combo receiver.